What's up, family? Welcome to the Marlin Native Mindstate. I am your host, Marlin C. And today we are reacting to and breaking down a wild police chase out of Oakwood, Georgia. A 43-year-old man steals his own mother's Ford Explorer, not once, but twice in the same day, leads police on a high-speed interstate chase, and then tries to deploy a very bizarre legal defense right from the back seat of a cruiser. But first, let's get the legal stuff out the way, right? I am not a lawyer, and this video does not constitute legal advice. This commentary is strictly for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. All footage is utilized under fair use guidelines for criticism, comment, and news reporting. All right, guys. This pursuit hits on massive legal concepts, including the fine line between standard vehicle termination and deadly force, plus a textbook lesson on why you shouldn't talk to the police post-arrest. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I drop a video, you will be the first to know about it. Let's hit it.
On August 2nd, 2023, in Oakwood, Georgia, police are called after a white Ford Explorer is reported stolen. But this isn't an ordinary incident. Earlier in the day, the same driver led officers on a pursuit in the same white Ford Explorer, which he had stolen from his own mother.
Get up, no, he's putting gear, he's putting gear, watch out, he's putting gear. Get out the car now, get out the car. He's taking off, taking off.
Surprised they didn't shoot him, huh? It is a deadly weapon now. They did hit a police car.
He went into Wendy's, he went into Wendy's.
Let's pause right here. At this exact moment, the suspect, Michael Walker, has escalated his criminal liability significantly. He went from a simple property crime, theft by taking and unauthorized use of a vehicle, since it was his mama's car, to a violent felony. By hopping the curb at a busy fast food restaurant with officers on foot right next to the vehicle, he's putting innocent civilians' lives at risk. Legally, the car is now functioning as a dangerous weapon. Let me ask you guys a question for the comments. If a family member steals your car, would you call the cops knowing it could end in a high-speed chase like this? Or would you try to handle it internally? Drop your thoughts below because it's about to get way faster.
Your incident has been updated.
He just hopped the curb,
Your incident has been updated.
Going right onto Monday Mill. Smiley, get up here and pit him. Tag is AFA.
What's the door? Oh, the door probably tore
White
up.
male, black shirt, black ball cap.
I don't know why the door's open. Whoa, look, okay.
Going to the
Running red lights.
Monday Mill, goes Monday Mill.
Nothing crazy about that.
Coming up on Monday Mill Drive.
They got at least 3 cruisers. Rams. He must have got no respect for Rams. Doggone Ford guys.
Move! Get out of the way, move!
What the? Now hold up. If you noticed, you heard the police holler and move, right? But if you notice, like the Ram here, this white vehicle here, there's a cruiser to his left and a cruiser to his right. So which way is he supposed to go? You understand? You got one, like I say, both of them probably blowing their horns, talking about move out the way. He trying to go left, trying to go right. He don't know where to go. So I guess his best bet is to sit still. So I ain't mad at the drivers. I'm not mad at the drivers, especially this guy here.
Move! Go!
Now the blue card, the blue, he's embarrassed me.
Smiley, I'm behind you.
Oh, I'm getting on the highway now.
Yeah, that's where I got my ear rolling.
Where the f did my earpiece go? Man.
That's why I don't wear earpieces.
Number 1 lane, fast lane, right now.
Units in route to letting know speed lines are crossing exit 14 now. They're attempting to hit.
What's your speed? We're around 40, Pit. We're about 70 miles an hour.
Officers carefully evaluate the vehicle's speed, as pit maneuvers at freeway speeds are often considered lethal force. Similar to using a handgun, lower speed pits, typically under 35 to 45 miles per hour, are considered less lethal and fall roughly on the same use of force spectrum as deploying a taser.
619, you're clear.
Okay, we're going to freeze right here. This is the most crucial legal lesson in the entire video. The narrator mentions that a pit maneuver executed at freeway speeds, typically over 40 to 50 miles an hour, can legally cross the line into lethal force. Let's break it down. Under the Fourth Amendment objective reasonableness standard established in Graham v. Connor, every single tactic police use must match the threat level. If cops execute a pit maneuver at 80 miles an hour, the car is highly likely to flip, causing death or severe injury. Legally, that is viewed under the exact same lens as pulling a firearm. Notice how the officers are communicating, evaluating traffic density, and waiting for the right threshold. If they hit him at 85 miles an hour in dense traffic, the municipality could face a massive federal civil lawsuit if an innocent bystander gets hurt. Let's continue.
619, clear to spike. Coming up on heavy traffic, guys. Coming up on heavy traffic.
Still in number 1 lane, we're doing about 85 miles an hour.
Coming up on the 1 mile to exit 12.
1 mile to exit 12.
Got the spikes.
Coming up on exit 12 right now at about 85 miles an hour. Traffic is medium.
Nah, he ain't gonna slow down on his own. Well, not at all.
Speeds about 78 coming up on 12. At 12 now. 78 miles per hour at 12 now. Slow down, we got traffic, slow down. Alright guys, I got these spikes, watch them. Spike, hey. Clear exit 2 lane, he hit spikes, hit spikes.
All right, they got him.
I'm clear. Clear, spike set. Here, he's still driving on the number 2 lane, going about 80 miles an hour. Number 2 lane, still driving 80 miles per hour.
Might be slow. Ooh, that was dangerous. That's
He cut right,
this dude is driving crazy.
Cut right, so. And the grass, 12.
Yep. All right, it's good they didn't get him, because then they would probably hit the squad cars too. Oh, man, told his mama's car.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Hit him. Hit him.
No, remember they said you can't pit them going this fast, because it could be deemed a deadly maneuver, like shooting them with a shotgun. So you gotta wait to slow down.
603, if you're good, I can try and pit him.
Yeah. Okay, that was smart. That was smart, y'all. That was real smart.
Doing about 87 miles an hour.
Number 2 lane, 87 miles per
Still
hour.
flying.
We're losing higher from the rear right.
Rob's in already. We got GSP close by chance.
He's off the tire.
In the number 1 lane, doing about 70.
Clear number 1 lane, lost the tire, doing 70 miles an hour.
He's about to bail on foot. Y'all watch out. He got a door open.
You want to try to walk today? Number 1 lane, 50 miles an hour. Pitch,
All right.
He could.
What about
Good pit. Good
okay.
pit. He's going to run on foot. Watch out. Watch
Not
out.
too bad. Usually when I lose a tire, it's always that the right passenger back seat tire. Anybody else ever noticed that? Now I'm thinking about it. Yeah, most of the times I've had a flat, it's on that back passenger seat. Why is that? Still.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Taser! Taser! Pull me out! Pull me out! Pull me out! Get out of the car! Ow! Ow! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out!
How you can't get out the door?
Smile, you good? Get him! He's bummed out! Get him back now! Give me this hand! Stop resisting! Go ahead. I got him.
Move this hand.
You want to notify?
Hey, put it in park. He must the car. He must the car.
Clear the car.
We are 1 mile to the exit each side.
Pull your knees in. I'm trying to. Pull your knees in now.
1 mile to the exit each side.
Stand up.
We are to the right, past the guardrail.
Man, kind of old, but still let him mama car.
Where's your car? Where's your car?
Hey, clear the car. Clear.
My camera has jumped off somewhere. Oh, that's right. No, what is that?
No, help track.
That's somebody's guardian angel.
Confirm location for Megan.
Good. There you go. Put him in.
Sit down, sir. Pull your legs in. Pull your legs in, sir. Pull them in.
What?
There's a bomb gonna explode. Did you hear me? Huh?
He says a bomb?
Did you hear me? There's a bomb that's gonna explode. Can't stop it. Now, did you hear me?
Smiley right here. Sit up. Sit up, Mr. Walker.
It's a bomb.
There's no bomb. Stepped out.
There's a bomb that's gonna go off.
Step out of the car.
There's a bomb fixing to go off.
Not fixing to, but it's going to go.
Fix to, but it's going to.
No.
Where's it at? I went to go look at his car. Only damage was done to the bush
So,
guard, yeah.
y'all heard what he said, right? He's locked in handcuffs, sitting in the cruiser, and suddenly starts screaming that a bomb is going to explode. Why do suspects do this? From a defense attorney's perspective, this screams one of two things: either acute drug-induced psychosis, intoxication, or an immediate attempt to manufacture a mental incompetence or diminished capacity defense. However, introducing a fake bomb threat to law enforcement backfires severely because it can add extra felony charges like terroristic threats or false report of a crime. So I got a question. Oh, and what I got. Look at how calm the officer is. He doesn't fall for it at all. Let me know in the comments, did you think he actually believed there was a bomb, or was he completely trying to fake a mental health crisis? Let's continue.
That's good, man.
There's just a little bit of the front bumper hanging down, but that was one hell of a fit, buddy. Give me a ring, but I ain't gonna make you
Sorry, I was gonna say sorry for. I wasn't trying to be too dangerous. I mean,
That's pretty dangerous, man.
I just didn't want y'all to. I just trying to drive kind of fast so you wouldn't hit me because I figured that's how it kind of works.
Well, he understood that.
Well, I mean, you waited until my tires got hit. I'm glad no one got hurt. And I'm glad no one got injured.
And we know you hit some people.
I didn't hit. Oh yeah, I did hit a couple cars.
Watch your foot.
What?
This man got the handcuffs. What the hell?
Hey, stop. Stop.
It's very tight.
We will fix it for you, but I swear to God,
No,
if you fight us or anything,
I'm not. I promise you, I'm not.
Stop moving your arms like that.
No, I'm trying to get my.
Hey, sir, sit up, please.
Just one like that.
All right.
Let's go.
Give him any water or anything?
Can I reposition my feet?
Yes.
He wants to go to the hospital, so I need to take him to the hospital right now. All right, we're going to fix these cuffs for you, but you're not going to resist us or you're not going to fight us.
Hey, I'm just gonna let you know, brother. You try to fight us, try to run away, and my dog's gonna bite you this time. Okay?
You guys got it.
We always get our people.
I mean, you guys did a little extra, but I deserved it. I can't be mad.
I deserve it. Folks, write this down in your legal notebook. Stop talking to the police. Even if you think you're being a good sport or trying to smooth things over with the arresting officers, everything you say on Bodycam is completely admissible in court under the party opponent admission exception to the hearsay rule. By saying I deserve it and admitting he was driving fast so you wouldn't hit me, he just handed the prosecution an open and shut case regarding his criminal intent to elude the police. Continue. Let's finish this up.
Bring me your other hand.
Hey, go ahead and call this.
Put it here.
Michael Walker, 43 years old, was charged with felony theft by receiving stolen property, fleeing or attempting to elude police, obstruction of an officer, possession of an open container of alcohol in a motor vehicle, hit and run, and 1 count of aggravated assault. Officers searched the stolen vehicle and found several alcoholic beverages inside, including some that had already been opened and consumed, as well as one that was partially full. The stolen vehicle was towed by Patterson's Auto Service after sustaining minor damage during the pursuit, but its value remained unchanged at $10,000. Michael Walker is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Now let's look at the final legal hammer. Michael Walker was hit with a mountain of charges: felony theft by receiving stolen property, fleeing or attempting to elude, obstruction, open container, hit and run, and a massive charge of aggravated assault for using that SUV as a battering ram against police and civilian vehicles. Stealing your mom's car to go on an alcohol-fueled freeway flight is a surefire way to trade a family dispute for a multi-year stay in a Georgia state penitentiary. What do you think about the cops' performance here? Did they balance public safety correctly, or did the pursuit take too long to terminate? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those 4 things cost you maybe a couple of minutes out of your day, but it means the world to us here at this channel. And with that being said, I leave you in peace and love, and I'll see you on the other side.